The cow that we see, it drinks water and produces what we call milk. This same water is drunk by a snake, but yet it produces a venom. You can't change nature. There could be a possibility that you came from the same womb. I'm talking in respect to your siblings. You are living in the same neighborhood. You are being nurtured by the same nanny. But each of you could have a different thought. One could be kind and one could be very poisonous. The words that comes from each, one could be of milk and the other could be of a venom. Don't be fooled by the smiles that people put on their faces, because behind the smiles lies a terrible and a dreadful meaning. The person could be your uncle, your brother, your sister, your very best friend. For the fact that you people attended the same school, the same college, same university, you had your basic level of education together. You've once drunk from the same cup, ate from the same pot. Does not mean that the person cannot hurt or harm you. Be on guard. Act on your intelligence so that you don't become a victim of circumstances to some people. This is what I want to tell you. Mani kancho abuwa nentwie onum nsuo ne enya adokodokode e fe ne milk afri ni mu sa ensukuro ya abuwa wo num bi enso so poison in the free ni mu ba sa ne wiase tie wo nioma bi wo ha wontimi nsesa no ebetimi abasa wo ni obi be free ma ne baako papa baako abusua baako nanso baako ni tirimu adwene ebetimi aye papa baako so tirimu adwene ebetimi aye bone nse wo ne abuwa nentwie entihwe ho yie na wankoto amaniem na obi amfo wanye hanam amma ne se abrabo ne sa na tie obi betimi aye wonua obi betimi aye wadamfo bi kura wo na oni na hyase wo abrabo mu nanso abra onipa empuntuo eba wo abrabo mu na wa hyase na esi wo yie no na onipa adwene a wo fa ho no na esesa enti abri bia no oye ade bia mo ani na ho hwe wano kasa yie na hwe wo hu so yie ifiri se edom omani sa de ye so ntakrache hwe wo yie na wo awunia betimi asori atia wo emfa ho sa woni ni firi afunu baako emfa ho sa woni ni mienu nyina firi abusuam emfa ho se woni na to nsa didi pen ifiri se emfia no bi wo ho a ya na nya mfia no papa so hu so obi sire kire obebrebe a e mane ngia wo so ope wasem e bi wo ho no ma se onya abotre ahwehwe ne sire na wo sire na chi a e bia na esu bi wo ho a ye se wodi wani kura hu a enka ohunu wo chia wanka wonye so hwe hu ye me dododo e frem Opatafuor subscribe and also follow page ni enko na abiri bia no be ensem bi se e de bebro ya mi hwe